Oh, I'd dare say that's as close to full moon as the day before. That's almost full. Check that out.
Oh wow. Yep, the crystals are under the tree.
If UFOs are going across the moon, it'd be tonight and tomorrow because it'd be full moon, you know. Aliens would like checking out shit like that too, surely.
Yeah.
I don't see why they wouldn't.
You most definitely can attract it too.
Yeah. Wow, look how round that is.
Nice.
It's a perfect ball. Wow, it's going so slow. That looks cool. Moon in the bottom corner coming up across.
Oh yes, because she's still rising.
Yeah. It's a pink moon. Not sure I like that.
No.
Oh, it looks pink.
What's in it?
White balance. Yeah, that's better. Marine green. Come on, UFOs, come across the moon. Come across the moon for me, do a little flyby. It'll be just for keepers, it won't be for YouTube. Because there might be some out there that want to be seen but don't want to be seen online. There might be people out there that know about this technology and they just don't want other people to know because they know people would swarm it and they don't want to be responsible for the wrong people getting the technology because not everyone deserves it. Because if it fell into the wrong hands, people like robbers and stuff would be using it to their advantage.
Yeah.
They'd be able to rob banks in an instant. Zip away any UFOs. You'll see ya.
So the banks need to be removed.
That's right. You hear that, bankers? I'm coming to get you. Taking this down. I can't believe I can see it even with the window glare.
Yeah.
I'm shocked. Most cameras would just refuse. Oh, there's the love heart on the moon.
It's always there now.
Yeah. Did you know that?
I remember you saying, I think you showed me on a video.
It's amazing that it's there. And it's a peace symbol. I'm going to take a few photos of the moon. I love how you take photos while you're doing video.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, so if you see like something you like, you can quickly snap. And then you can make a little flag reminder, so when you watch it on your video, you can skip straight to the good points, the highlights.
That's cool.
Yeah, I haven't worked out how to do it, but it says you can.
Once you do, you'll be laughing.
Yeah. She's getting a drink. That pump is loud as hell. Hear it? Fills up as it fills up with water and drains the tank. Yeah, it's not very powerful. It's only just enough to get it through the hose. I know, Shane was useless like that. Oh well, no, not to rely on people like him. Someone that's more inclined to get themselves sorted out for anyone. No UFOs across the moon tonight? Please? Sometimes you don't even see them on the screen for some reason until you play it back. I don't know why they do that. Not too bad. A little bit emotional before, but I'm alright now. I go up and down lately.
Must be something happening inside you, like a balance or something.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Something flew past the moon just then at 8 minutes 30. Should put a little flag. I don't know how to do it though. I know there's a button you can accidentally press and it cuts the video and rewinds it. I don't know what that one is. What a beautiful moon. Never thought I'd have something that could see the moon that clearly. Remember my other camera? Could barely, like, you know, sometimes you could see the craters and that.
Yeah, the craters are cool. You can see that heaps good.
Wicked. What a beautiful moon. Even though it's so plain and bare, it's just beautiful. Something about it. Sitting up there illuminating the night sky. And it's just bright enough so that our eyes are able to see it and take in some of its detail. How does it even be that bright? It looks illuminated itself.
Like it's got an on switch.
Yeah, like it's got a light inside it. Doesn't take long to find out someone making a video on YouTube explaining that they think the moon's fake.
Yeah. Yeah, I reckon something's up with that.
Yeah. Yeah, they don't let on everything that we want to know.
Mm.
140 times zoom. Hardly ever get the moon on that much. Look at
Wow, yeah, it's chunky.
that. 140 times zoomed in, and it's focused. Wow, that is massive. Look at that.
Oh, it's even bigger.
Slowly creeping across. That's wicked. I fell asleep for a second.
Did you?
I'm emotionally worn out.
Slowly moving.
Wow, that took a while. I like little 10-minute videos of the moon. I just stare at it at the telly. Amazing. Sometimes it just doesn't look real. That's why I'd love an automatic tracker like those Celestron telescopes.
Oh, it locks onto it.
Yeah, yep.
Oh, that's awesome.
Lock onto the moon and it automatically tracks it whenever it wants. You can even set the sensitivity so that you can set it so that leaves the screen slightly and then it moves, or you can get it so that it moves with it, literally.
Very cool.
Yeah. Some people are very lucky. And you can look up on the star map the stars' names and you can go straight to it and it will follow that too.
Can't prove
Who said the other day, if that young Sean bloke that comes to you, he said you can buy your own star in a certain constellation if you've got enough money.
Oh, what?
I believe that. I mean, why wouldn't they? There's people that have bought positions on the moon. Yeah, Ashton Kutcher. You'd soon miss Earth. You'd soon miss Earth living on the moon. I really think you would. You'd miss Earth if you were to live on the moon.
Yeah, that's different.
Because it would be so barren, so deserted. God, my skin just peeled off.
On your leg.
Oh. $200 times zoom. That's 200 times zoomed. Maximum.
It's all full now. More screen.
Look at that. You can just see the edge, like the roundness. See the edge of the moon?
Yeah, it's moving.
That would make it that big. Huge. Oops. Oh. Yep, don't use a camera to change the lens. Wow, smack bang at the centre. Couldn't be even better. Photo. One of them's got to be a good photo. Yeah, that would actually look good on as a background on the phone. A good moon photo,
Oh, yeah.
wouldn't it?
It would be. Video.
Not many people get to see it like this. Not enough people are interested. the day I pulled out Dad's telescope and looked at the moon, I was like, wow, that's amazing.